Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a sign, and it's just a little bit of a prop that I was thinking about making. So let's go ahead and take the render engine and switch from Eevee to cycles. We'll go ahead and press S for scale on the default cube and just bring this across slightly. This will act as one of our signs. Let's press G, bring this up. And what we're going to do is go ahead and add a cylinder. S for scale, bring this up, right click shade smooth, scale it down, and we'll go ahead and bring this up again and just kind of make a pole out of this. And what we're going to do now is let's elongate this just ever so slightly. Press G, bring this up, and then move it across just to here. So now we're going to take another cylinder. Let's press G, bring this up, rotate this by 90, S for scale, bring it down. You might want to shade this smooth as well, right click shade smooth. And then we have the second part of the sign right there. So you could use this for anything really, for warning signs or whatever like that. Let's go ahead and place a ring on this one. So if we go to edit mode, take the main face right here, we can go E for extrude, S for scale, bring it in slightly, E for extrude, leave it where it is, S for scale, bring that in slightly, and then we can take the faces around the outside right here. We could go ahead and make this a different material. So if you go to materials tab, we can go with new, so this will be the main material, press plus, this will be the new one. We can place this as red, maybe it's a hazard sign, and click assign to that piece. So now you should have a nice little red ring around the outside there. We could do the same with the base one right here. We could go edit. You want to take the front face, E for extrude, scale it in, equally on each side, E for extrude, scale it in, and try and get that equal on each side, and then go ahead and select the faces around the outside just as is. Press plus, new, and make this one black if you wanted to. Let's go assign, right click shade smooth. I think you can do right click shade smooth on both of them. The pole at the back we could go with a grey, kind of metallic shiny kind of thing. And then I'm just going to add a floor in so you guys can see the shade and stuff like that, because when we press render we're going to need to amend the lighting. So this is just kind of like a basic tutorial on how to make a sign. Yeah, so you can put some writing in there as well, and you've got text there as well. So yeah, whatever you want to do with it is totally up to you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.